Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, January 11th, and this is my analysis of gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I mean, I'm still a big believer that this is going up in a big way. I actually still think this is a 1 and a 2. I think there's still a very good chance we're in a wave 3, and if it really is a wave 3, my original target was 2250, but if it's a wave 3, it potentially is going to go quite a bit higher than that. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see that this is a trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like a 1. This looks like an ABC correction, like a wave 2. I kind of think that we're in a wave 3 right now. And yeah, maybe it will go down a little before it goes up. But I think that this is most likely a wave 3. And maybe it's a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3. And that our primary goal should be to still look for longs until the market proves us otherwise. So going down to the daily time frame, I still feel like this is some sort of a flat pattern. I mean, it looks like three waves down, it looks like three waves up. Now I think it's more likely to make five waves down, and this is going to be a 3-3-5, like a flat, and then eventually it's going to keep on trending up. Maybe it's a 1-2, maybe it's just a subdivision of a much bigger wave 3 uptrend. We're just going to have to wait and find out. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, like I said, now you can actually see the three waves down. You can see the 1, 2, 3 waves up. This looks more like a trend to me. It kind of seems to me like this is going to continue to go down, and this is going to be more like a five-way pattern. And in a couple weeks, on January 1st, we have interest rates for the U.S. dollar. I think that's what's going to most likely cause this to end a correction, and most likely cause this to continue the uptrend. But today we have CPI news, and that's definitely a very important news event also. So it seems to me like the most likely thing is that this is going to keep going up. I mean, it still looks like it's making a correction. I mean, it's kind of a three-way pattern up. It's kind of a WXY look down. Kind of seems like it needs to go up again. Bounce off a fib level, probably to 61.8 before it actually does end up continuing back down. So we're definitely going to have to see how this turns out. I mean, ABC correction seems most likely for the CPI news, and then maybe, early next week or maybe even tomorrow, it'll end in ABC correction and keep on trending down because I do think that the overall trend is down, and I still think that the best bet for us is to continue to look for ends of corrections on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.